People justify low sales activity.
Yep.
Because they don't like to do it because they feel scared. And the reason they feel scared is because they're nice people. They want to be seen as a good human. And so they don't want to seem too pushy. And so they under-ask and they under-act. And then you get in a crisis when your big anchor client goes away or someone gets, I've had a situation where because of the success my sales firm brought someone, my client was acquired. But through the acquisition, I didn't survive the acquisition, right? So those things happen, and we need to always be selling. So I have the term revenue generating activity. And what I mean narrowly is, I mean, that's the time you spend initiating new relationships with people and following up on people who have expressed some kind of interest. But the whole purpose of the RGA, the revenue generating activity, is to set a different time for the sales call.